This is Kay, and I hope everyone is doing okay today. Guys, it's my first time to talk in front of the camera, so please bear with me, and also feel free to cringe if you want to. Well, anyways, today I thought I would do a video about, as you can tell, I'm wearing green. So I wanted to show you my plant collection. As you can see at the back, I have my babies with me. I love them so much. I love taking care of plants, and I love having them around our apartment because they gave life to our apartment, to our room, and they help purify the air. If you here in Austria, we have 4 seasons. So we have winter, and most of the time, naka-close yung window namin. So, mas maganda talaga na meron kaming air purifier dito, like natural air purifier. Yeah, so actually I'm no expert when it comes to plants. I still consider myself a new plant mom, even though I have my plants for some of them I have for 3 years, and some of them for a few months and a year. But all of my plants here are very easy to take care for or take care of, and they're also low maintenance. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.